it's Express Amber. I'm coming to you from my living room. So there are a couple of things that I want to talk to you about today. Number one is I want to thank you from the very bottom of my heart for doing the work that you are doing. And when the rest of us are quarantined in our house, the American truckers are still working and still delivering so that we have the needs and the necessities that we need to live. And so thank you so much for sacrificing and continuing to work even though the rest of America is, quote, shut down or shut into their house. So we are all working from our homes, and we're so thankful that we're able to work from home and to still help you with your questions that you have regarding whatever product that you might be using. So we have clients in industry types all over the world. And so we're heavily into the trucking industry with Express Truck Tax and Trucklogics, TS in America, and then we have e-file products as well. So tax bandits and ACA-wise and PayWow. We have lots of different products that we offer here. And no matter what product you're using, we're still offering support. So Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Call if you have questions. We are here. Secondly, during this time, we all could use a little bit of good news, and we've heard from a lot of you that you wanted integrations within Trucklogics. And so within our truck management software, we have integrated with DAT. What that means for you is a couple of key things. Number one, you're going to be able to search multiple loads, hundreds and thousands of loads every day from DAT. You're going to be able to search up to 45 different load types. That's pretty awesome without ever leaving your Trucklogics account. Secondly, you are going to be able to email potential clients as well as bookmark loads. And third, you will be able to save your truck information along with a specified date range so that you can be getting loads while your truck information is saved there in the system. So those are three really great tools that you can use with the integration of DAT and Trucklogics. Okay, so if you have more questions about the DAT integration, down here in the description, you will find the link to one of our blogs, as well as many other videos about Trucklogics and how to use it. And then again, like I said, we have a wonderful support team who is ready to answer any questions that you have. You can sign up for a free trial now, and you can ask them on how to get signed up to use the DAT integration. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, I hope that you're staying safe, that you're driving safe, and that you're staying healthy. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.